Hello, in front of me I've got Vantrue on-N4 camera. In this video I'll show you how to record a video that cannot be overwritten. Firstly, as you can see right here, the gravity sensor is enabled. Thanks to this sensor, your camera will automatically record the video that cannot be overwritten in case of the emergency like collision or something like this. But also you can manually record such video simply by pressing the mode button once. As you can see right now, the video is locked and it will be saved in event file folder. If you want to disable this function, press OK button. Now let's go to menu, so simply press and hold the mode button. Now release. Go to files, event video, and as you can see the videos are saved right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.